how much will it cost me? That's a question that I get every day from people writing me emails, phone calls, and meetings. And there is the simple answer: I have no clue. And here is why. Because when I'm talking to someone, especially when it is the beginning, not someone which I work with for a few years, that is very easy. But someone new, a new territory, a new ambitions, new needs. For example, a farmer that has 80% damage from fruit flies, and yes, there are, if you look in my videos, you will see that there are. And another farmer that has very low infestation from fruit flies is growing for export. Now, one of them is only Bacteroceras dorsalis as an issue, and the population is relatively low, but his needs are very demanding. He needs quality for export. That means zero infestation, or close to zero. There is never zero, but close to zero infestation. So how many units will he need per season, per hectare? I have no clue. Not until we start working on his fields, and that's exactly what we do. And then we found out the population dynamics. He doesn't know. We find out how much is the infestation today. He doesn't know. We give him tools of monitoring, not only the population, but also the fruit infestation. So he can monitor very closely and know when it's time to stop the harvest and stop the export. So this is one case. On the other hand, the guy with the 80% damage, you would think that maybe he needs more control and more costly. But actually, many times for him it's enough if he gets 10% damage or 20 or 30. It's already so much better. So maybe he needs actually much less units per hectare. I don't know. But in this case, he also has another fruit fly, which is not only Bacteroceras dorsalis, and in addition, Ceratitis cossiera. Well, how good the control will be with those two fruit flies? Will we as Biofit, need to develop something in addition? Maybe because the additional one, actually, he will need more units than we expect. So those things, again, the only way to give them a true and good answer is by actually going to the field, running the pilot, and see the results. Then see with the farmer what makes him happy, which is usually my first question to the farmer is, what will make you happy? Because this means more about our ability to give him a good solution. And we need to focus and be very precise to the needs of that particular farmer. And that is exactly what we're doing. So next time, before you ask me how much it cost, ask yourself, what do we want? How much do we lose today? How much do we want to make more in the future? And how much we're ready to invest in getting more? Of course, we want to give you more than just $1 for each dollar that you spend. Much more. And usually, in our case, we know that it is between $2 to $10. That's pretty good ROI. So write me, let me know what you think.